Hi and namaste. I'm in one of my favourite spots on one of my daily bike rides around West London, and I thought I'd take you guys with me this time. So I've been shooting some footage from the bike as I ride along, and I hope you enjoy it. I think you'll agree that this is, if you don't live in England, you wouldn't expect London to look like this. But it is indeed Greater London. We are in Greater London. So I hope you enjoy the ride with me. We've got some sunshine today, which is lovely. We've got forecasts of about 2 weeks of rain, which is fairly typical for English summers. You can't rely on them at all. It can go from literally 34 degrees one day to 17 the next, which is exactly what it did 2 days ago. Crazy stuff. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the ride, and I'll provide the bits of commentary to support the bits of filming that I've done. So cheers, hope you enjoy.
It's of a young damsel whose fortune's been bad since she's fallen in love with a young sailor lad. He courted her early, both night and by day, and now he's gone and left her, he's gone far away. There were 3 curly locks in her laddie's black hair. Them 3 curly locks did a poor heart ensnare. His red rosy cheeks and his dark rolling eyes, and his false flattering tongue did a poor heart entice. Well, some of her comrades say she is beguiled, and some of her friends say that she is with child. Though she'll keep herself easy, let them say what they will. While there's love in her heart, she'll adore her love still. Oh, if it be a boy, he shall fight for his king, and if it be a girl, she shall wear a fine ring, shall wear a fine ring, all well stamped up in gold, and let them all see she's a young sailor bold. A length of blue ribbon she'll lay by with care, to tie up the locks of the laddie's black hair. And when he comes home again, crown him with joy, and kiss the sweet lips of a young sailor boy. Sailor, sailor on the sea, when you return, please marry me. Lady, lady on the land, when I return, I'll take your hand. Sailor, sailor on the sea, when you return, please marry me. Lady, lady on the land, when I return, I'll take your hand. Sailor, sailing on the blue, all day long I'll think of you. You're the only one I need, I pray for you, all Godspeed. Lady living on the coast, it is you I love the most. It's in my every waking thought, one day soon I'll be home in port. Sailor, sailor on the sea, when you return, please marry me. Lady, lady on the land, when I return, I'll take your hand. Sailor, sailor on the sea, when you return, please marry me. Lady, lady on the land, when I return, I'll take your hand. Sailor, sailing on the waves, my true love so strong and brave. I'm looking forward to a life when I can be your loving wife. Lady living in the town, I have for you a wedding gown and a ring and jewels galore, bought with love from a foreign shore. Sailor, sailor on the sea, when you return, please marry me. Lady, lady on the land, when I return, I'll take your hand. Sailor, sailor on the sea, when you return, please marry me. Lady, lady on the land, when I return, I'll take your hand. Sailor, sailing on the brine, praying you soon shall be mine. The promise that you'll stay by me, never again sail on the sea. Lady living far away, when we marry I'll not stray. I'll spend all my days with you, my time at sea is done and through. Sailor, sailor on the sea, when you return, please marry me. Lady, lady on the land, when I return, I'll take your hand. Sailor, sailor on the sea, when you return, please marry me. Lady, lady on the land, when I return, I'll take your hand.
Now, who would have thought in West London there would be a large cattle farm, a beef farm in fact, rearing beef cattle? Well, there is. This is Pinner Farm, and I'll prove the point by panning the video around. I believe it's the last working farm in West London, and here's some of the things they've won. So yeah, it's the real deal. Here in West London, the real deal. Proper farm. I can get to this on my bike, it's amazing, isn't it? So there you go, Pinner Farm, last working farm in West London. Pretty cool, eh?
When I return, I'll take your hand.